Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. On the previous video on this series, I thought you guys how to create DB relationship. On this video we're going to look at how to log out a user or an admin after a successful login to the system. If you find this video to be educative and informative, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I will start by creating the logout method inside the admin auth controller. This method will only be accessed by login admins. I will put the code inside try catch block as usual. I'm going to teach you two methods of logging a user or admin out. First will be to log out the current admin or user, by deleting current admin or user token. Second will be logging out admin or user from all devices, by deleting all tokens that belongs to the logged in admin or user. The first method is what I will implement first, that's deleting the token of the current logged in user. First I will check if the token was deleted using an if statement. I will return a success message if it was deleted, then return an error message if there was an error while deleting the token. The logout route for the admin. The logout route will use a post method. Let's test everything on Postman. I will create a new request for the logout endpoint. Then we're going to test if it will actually delete the token of the current admin, which I will create. The logout route can only be accessed by a login admin, meaning for any admin to access it, a token is required, else it will return unauthenticated. As you can see on the access token table, there are many tokens created by same admin, but this method will only delete the token that was provided while accessing the route. Next, I will try out the second method, which is to delete all tokens that belong to the current logged in admin. Let's test again after changing the method. All tokens have been deleted. I'm going to use the second method for the admin logout, then use the first method for the user logout. Next, I'm going to replicate same code on the user end, but using different route with the first method. In order not to bore you, I'm going to fasten up the whole process as I have already done it on the admin end. After copying the code, I will change the method to the first method, then modify the error and success messages. Please, if you find anything confusing in this video, feel free to use the comment section, as I will try my best to give you the best answer to your question. Please, if you find this tutorial helpful and informative, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and ring the notification bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.